Hi, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today I get to share the MVP Softball Collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection includes 4 stunning papers and a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. In the collection kit, you'll get 2 of each of the papers you see here, as well as the element sticker sheet. Let's take a look at the papers. Gear up with the game day paper, which includes the 4x6 and 3x4 cut-aparts. Show your love for your favorite player with the Champs paper. Add a little color to your paper crafting projects with the Strikeout paper. Make your way to home base with the Steel paper. Be sure to pick up the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, which includes a 12-inch border, lots of words, icons, as well as titles. We know how hard it is to match cardstock with the paper collections. We're going to go ahead and give you some recommendations from the My Colors cardstock collection. The first one is Scarlet from the Classic collection. Then we have White, New Black, also from the Classic collection, as well as Poolside from the Canvas collection. Mix and match these papers with the softball collection for even more options. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment with which paper is your favorite. If you have any suggestions for an upcoming MVP collection, be sure to drop that in the comments too. We love to hear your suggestions. Thanks and have a great day.